Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check out your like pages on Facebook. So I am currently here on my Facebook news feed, and so back then, to be able to see your like pages, you usually have to go over to your profile on the top right corner of your screen here. But right now, Facebook has moved it somewhere else, but not too hard to be honest. It's just now on the left side of the screen. You just need to click on see more, just scroll down, and you'll be able to see pages down here. Just click on it, and it'll send you to a new page where you'll see on the left side corner other options such as like pages. Just click on like pages, and as you can see, you will be able to see all the pages you have followed and liked so far in your Facebook account. That is how you can check out the like pages in Facebook. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.